My mic is on. When did it on? Fast. Jacob, you're fast. You're so fast. Like, surprised me. Hi guys, I'm Seonkyoung long guest. Welcome to Asian at Home. And today we are going to make kimchi pancake. We call it kimchi buchimge or kimchi jan. It's all same meaning. I actually shared the kimchi pancake with bacon right here. Click it. It's kind of old video, but still really good recipe. But today, my mom just called me and she was like, oh, have you had the kimchi pancake with pork and shrimp? I'm like, no. You need to share the recipe. Okay, I'll do it. So here I am doing it right now, since Jacob has been, from the last video and until now, like, he came back from England and came back and all he wants is kimchi, 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 kimchi. It's like he's Korean or something right now. I don't even know. So I have a 4-ounce chopped shrimp right in here in the mixing bowl, and I'm gonna add the same amount, which is 4 ounces of ground pork into the shrimp. See, like, my mom didn't tell me about the detail of the recipe, to be honest. She just said add pork and shrimp into kimchi pancake, and she just thinking I will figure out what's going on in that thing. So in my head, just adding just the shrimp and the pork into the kimchi jar is just like a little, like, I know she would do more than that. So this is my guess. She probably add a little bit of garlic. She probably chopped it by her hands, but hey, I'm her daughter. I'm an upgraded version. I know how to smart work. I'm not saying my mom is not smart. It's just I know how to work a little more smarter, because I know these new tools that my mom will never use. She likes old-fashioned style of cooking, so she likes using, old way. I like to use new tools, okay? Anyways, just 1 clove of garlic that I just like grind it in, and I'm gonna add a teaspoon of soy sauce, just a little seasoning. You know what? 1.5 teaspoon of soy sauce, and the same amount of mirin. Some black pepper, tiny bit to season. Oh, I was looking for my spoon. I was like, where did my spoon go? And just mix everything together. It's such a smart idea, because we use pork and shrimp for the dumplings all the time, because pork and shrimp is such a good friend. They love each other. They love hanging out. But then why I never thought about putting this into kimchi pancake? My mom did. That's why she's my mom. It's good to go. All right, I'm gonna set aside right here. And let's bring our large mixing bowl. And today I'm gonna use this pre-mixed Korean pancake mix flour. But I know, I cannot get that. I know. I have how to make this pancake flour mix, how to make from the scratch, in the description box. In the description box, check it out. And if you're asking on the comment, it clearly tells me you didn't watch the video all the way through. Bad. Watch it from the beginning till the end, all the way through. All the little information is all the way throughout the video. So do not skip. Do not skip the video, or do not skip the ads. Anyways, just throwing out there. So I'm gonna use 2 cups of this vegetable pancake mix flour, or 2 cups of my Seonkyoung's savory pancake mixture. 2 cups of that, or 2 cups of already pre-made one. Let's add 2.5 cups of water. Then 1 egg. She said make sure to add eggs, so I'm doing it. Usually I don't add eggs in my kimchi pancake, but following my mom's advice right now. Mix everything together. And the thickness is actually quite good, so I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 cups of kimchi, chopped kimchi. The pork and shrimp mixture. Just mix with your hand. Oh, did I say mix with your hand? Mix with your spoon. So my batter looks a little more thinner than usual, because I really don't know, probably because I added too much water. But it's totally fine. So I'm actually gonna cook it like this, but if you don't feel comfortable, go ahead and add a couple more tablespoons of this flour mixture, the pancake mixture. That's totally fine. See, this is all about the home cook. Fix as you go. I personally like thinner batter because thicker batter is more like a cakey. Heat up the pan about medium-high heat and add about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. I'm using avocado oil that I got from Costco, you know. What am I? That's right, Costco sucker. Don't be shy about putting oil into the pan because the oil needs to cover the pan completely. You want the pan to be hot but not like a smoking hot because it takes a little while to cook all the way through this thick pancake. So you want to make sure. And spread all the way. So Jacob just asked me, how long should we cook this until it's fully cooked? So on the medium heat, you see the surface of the pancake, the outer part is start getting cooked. So let it keep going on medium to medium-low heat. We want to cook this a little slow heat at first and then crisp it up at last with like a little more higher heat. But for now, I would say about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. And kind of shake the pan like this to make sure it is not stuck on the bottom. So you can do this in the stainless steel pan if you're really comfortable using those. But if not, don't adventure like that with this delicious kimchi pancake batter, okay? Because you're gonna waste it. I'm not doing that. Check on the bottom. I think they are ready to flip over. That's ready. You need to be like really fast. Oh yeah. Who said the first pancake never comes out right? Not for Seonkyoung longest. I'm gonna flip one last time. Ooh, be good to me. Yes. So I flipped 2 times. First time, obviously, because we need to cook both sides. And I flip one more time to make sure I have this beautiful side on the surface, on the top of the surface, so the presentation is good. Gorgeous. Okay, so you can eat it just like this, but obviously you do need a dipping sauce. You know what I mean? So while I'm making dipping sauce, Sebastian, Jacob, you're gonna keep cooking the kimchi pancake?
네.
And I will make the dipping sauce.
Hello.
You're looking. You got me.
Focus.
Focus. We watched the fluffy way too much. Where's my knife go? Okay. So, to make the dipping sauce while he's cooking rest of the pancake, you will need onion. So you could use a green onion, but I'm just gonna use a regular onion. I think a quarter of onion will be enough. Just cube them up. There.
I have one job.
You had the one job. Oh my god, baby, it's too thick. You're gonna have a hard time to flip them over.
I got this.
Oh my god, I cannot let this man
Can't
do
leave me
anything.
alone for 2 seconds. I got this.
No, I think actually it's pretty good. Actually. Yeah, you're right.
I'm gonna set this over here for while I'm.
Don't.
Because I'm gonna need some room, some living room.
Okay, so keeping up with the dipping sauce. If you have a chili pepper, you can add the chili pepper. I would love to add the chili pepper, but we don't have it. Okay, baby, let it cook.
I like playing with it.
So I'm gonna add same amount of the soy sauce and same amount with soy sauce and vinegar.
Whoa.
Whoa. And just mix this. And you know, this is totally up to you. But what I like to do is add a little sugar. You know why? Because it makes it taste like onion pickle. And also, I do have an onion pickle recipe for dipping sauce that I use often. It's right here. Go ahead and check it out. But if you forgot to make it like me and you don't have it in the refrigerator already ready to go, then just go ahead and make it like this. You're gonna do it without?
No.
Let me see. I think you can do it.
Think I can do it?
Yeah, I think you can do it.
Gotta stretch first.
Stretch with you.
Alright. You ready? You ready?
I'm bring you energy.
Oh, you gotta be quiet though.
에네르기
Okay,
파!
no, really, you need to be.
에네르기 파!
No, really, quiet.
Okay.
Now concentrate. Okay, one.
A little bit.
Oh, almost. I didn't commit. I had it and I didn't commit.
But why did I scream?
I don't know.
Told you to turn down the heat. Why you not listen to me?
I mean, it's still gonna taste good.
No. I'm not a fan of like a burnt like that though.
This one's good with squid too, huh?
Oh yes, kimchi pancake with squid. Actually, that's my favorite too.
Yeah, I think yours is gonna turn out better. It already looks better. It just started. Mine was having troubles from the beginning. No sauce?
Let's try just like this first.
Oh, then it's too big. Oh, well done. Ah.
맛있어.
That shrimp in there is delicious. And the pork flavor too. Your mom was right. Thank you, 어머님.
엄마 고마워. 맛있어?
That's so good.
My kimchi is like super sour, right? So when your kimchi this is sour and you season the rice, you don't even need the dipping sauce, to be honest.
Because that adds more sourness to it. But this is delicious. But it's not too sour because of the batter and everything. Kind of smooths everything out.
Because kimchi pancake usually have the thing that you want from the dipping sauce: the sourness, the saltiness, the crunchiness. Kimchi is just perfect food. On the weekend, why don't you guys have like kimchi pancake party? Each like maybe like a 4 to 6 or 8 people come over. Everybody makes
Everybody
one.
makes their own. See who looks the best.
Yeah, the competition is on. I love competition.
Oh man, that is so delicious. With the pork and the shrimp in there too. Because the kimchi by itself, just the kimchi pancake by itself is really good, but then it adds like that meaty, and then that nice bite from the shrimp. And the shrimp flavor. It's really good.
Okay, 3.
Everybody can do it like that.
Not everybody. Do you prefer thicker better or just like
I
that?
like this one actually.
It's more tender and soft.
It's like kind of a little chewy.
I mean, it is harder to cook it though, to be honest. But and the result, the taste in your mouth is better. And if you liked my kimchi pancake recipe, please give this video a thumbs up. Big thumbs up because it's so delicious. And a huge special thanks to my mom to give this idea with the recipe. And yeah, remember you can always cook Asian food at your house, making it easy and fun. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and we will see you next time. Bye. Oh, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. Come on.
Do it.
Do it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet and you're complaining about you're not getting enough of my video. Hello, I'm keep uploading 2 videos per week, so there's only one thing you need to do, is just subscribe and watch the video and do not skip the ad.
You can share if they want.
And share, yeah, that too.
Share if they want.
All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye.
Ah, perfect. Good time.
Don't be silly.
I'm a little jealous.
I'm your peanut butter.